Hello, people. Welcome back to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. If this is your first time, welcome to my channel. And consider subscribing. And if you find this information useful, give it a thumbs up. Help us with the YouTube algorithm. And share it with somebody who might benefit from it. This is a series of tutorials for people who want to study uh, the TOEFL preparation course and want to get a better score on TOEFL. You can do it individually or you can accompany your classes with it. Right now, we're working with structure written expression, and we are going to work with skill number 15, I think. Yeah, I see that. Sentences with inverted subjects and verb. We're going to do the inversion of the order of the subject and the verb. Subjects and verbs are inverted in a variety of situations in English. Inverted subjects and verbs occur most often in the formation of a question. To form a question with a helping verb, be, have, can, could, will, would, and so on. The subject and the helping verb are inverted. For example, he can go to the movies, right? That's a sentence. Can he go to the movies? That's a question. You would tell me the truth. That's a sentence. Would you tell me the truth? That's a question. She was sick yesterday. Was she sick yesterday? To form a question when there is no helping verb in the sentence, the helping verb do is used. Do, does, did. He goes to the movies. Does he go to the movies? You told me the truth. Did you tell me the truth? Remember that when we use the auxiliary, the main verb goes into the base form. He goes to the movies. Does he go to the movies? You told me the truth. Did he tell you the truth? The auxiliary did tell me this in the past, and the main verb in the base form. There are many other situations in English when subjects and verbs are inverted, but if you just remember this method of inverting subjects and verbs, you will be able to handle the other situations. The most common problems with inverted subject and verbs in the TOEFL test occurs in the following situations. 1. With question words such as what, when, where, why, and how. 2. After some place expressions. 3. After negative expressions. 4. In some conditionals. And 5. After some comparisons. So, we're going to start with skill 15, invert the subject and the verb with question words. There is some confusion about when to invert the subject and verb after question words, such as what, when, where, why, and how. These words can have two very different functions in a sentence. First, they can introduce a question. In this case, the subject and the verb that follow inverted. What is the homework? Homework is the subject, is the verb. When can I leave? Auxiliary can, subject I, verb leave. Where are you going? Auxiliary are, subject you, main verb with ing. Also, these words can join together two clauses, and in this case, the subject and the verb that follow are not inverted. I don't know what the homework is. When I can leave, I will take the first train. Do you know where you're going? In each of these samples, there are two clauses joined by a question word. Notice that the subjects and the verbs that follow the question word what, when, and where are not inverted in this case. The following example shows how this sentence pattern could be tested in the structure section of the test. The lawyer asked the client why. In this example, the question, the word why is used to connect the two clauses. So a subject and a verb are needed after this connector. This is not a question, so the subject and the verb should not be inverted. The best answer is therefore C. The lawyer asked the client why he did it, right? The subject, verb, why, subject, and verb. So I asked the client why he did it. Okay. So the following chart lists the question words and their sentence patterns: who, what, when, where, why, and how. When the question word introduces a question, the subject and the verb are inverted. What are they? Verb, subject. When the question word connects to clauses, the subject and the verb that follow are not inverted. I know what they are. Subject, verb, subject, verb. Okay, so each of the following sentences contains a question word. We're going to circle the question words, underline the subjects once and the verbs twice, and then check if this is correct or incorrect. Look at the examples. The phone company is not certain when will the new directories be ready. Okay, now this is incorrect because this is not a question, it's a connector is working. The new director is will, when the new director will be ready. The professor does not understand why so many students did poorly in the exam, right? This is correct. Subject, verb, connector, subject, verb. Okay, so now it's time for you to pause the video and try to answer this exercise. When you finish, come back and look at the answers. Okay, pause now, and I'll be here when you come back. Okay, now that you come back, right, we have question word, how new students can get information about parking. Note that we have a question mark at the end. So this is a question. And it should be, how can new students get information about parking? We got where, verb, subject. Where is it cheapest to get typeset copies printed? That's correct, it's a question. Only the pilot can tell you how far. Only the pilot can tell you how far can the plane go on one tank of fuel. So you can see the problem here is only the pilot can tell you how far the plane can go, right? Because it's working as a connector. What type of security does he prefer for his investment? Sorry. You got the verb. I mean, as an auxiliary verb. You got the subject. You got the main verb. So this is correct, right? Question. Not even the bank president knows when. If the bank president knows when the vault will be open. So this is okay. How long it has been since you arrived in the United States? That is a question. So it should be, how long has it been? How long has it been since you arrived in the United States? The jury doubts what the witness said on the cross-examination. This is fine, no problem. Do you know why he wants to take an extended leave absent? This is also a question. Why? All right, I hope this has helped you understand the inversion of the subject and the verb when we're using question words. So again, if you found this useful, give it a thumbs up. It really helps us with the YouTube algorithm. Consider subscribing so we can have a bigger channel, and share it with somebody who might benefit from it, because this is free information, free tutorials for anybody who can use it. So thank you very much. See you.